Welcome back to Glorious Study Circle. I am Bisma Wahid, the teacher of City School. Our today's topic is division word problems. If you are new in the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all upcoming videos. Now let's get started. What is division? Division is splitting into equal parts, also known as repeated subtraction. Parts of division sentence. In a division sentence, the first number before the division sign is dividend. The second number after division sign is divisor. Then division symbol or division sign will come in between, then equals to sign, and then the answer of division after equal to sign will be quotient. Division vocabulary. I told you in my last video when it was a multiplication word problem that division, multiplication, addition and subtraction vocabulary are very important for the word problems. So in a division vocabulary, the vocabulary words that we can use for division is quotient, split, average, how many in each, divided by, twice, equal parts, every, ratio, cut, evenly. Division word problem. There are 16 socks in the drawer. If you divide them in pairs, how many pairs of socks will be there? Now in this word problem, you can see that total number of socks are given and they are asking us to divide. Now this divide word shows that the given word problem is related to division. Now we will divide 16 divided by 2, but how we know that we have to divide by 2? The word pair. Pair means 2. So that means we will divide by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. So our quotient is 8. I hope that this word problem is clear to you. Now move to the next word problem. There are 27 students in a class and the teacher wants to divide them into groups of 9. How many students will be in each group? Again, we will divide 27 as a dividend and 9 as a divisor. After dividing, we will see where 27 will come in 9's table. 9 3's are 27. Yes, 3 is our quotient. Very good. I hope that the concept of division word problem is clear to you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon so you can get all upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.